Hey Lionel, it's Bob Holtacker, Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough. I want to do a quick walk around video of this beautiful example of a GLE 350 with all the trimmings. You can see the AMG trim package grille, the blackout trim, the beautiful AMG wheels. Let's walk around the car a little bit. Show you the window sticker. Got some nice options on it. Heated and ventilated front seats, Panoramic Roof. You have the night package, AMG trim package, premium package, and the nice Macchiato beige interior. It looks beautiful with this color. Let's continue our walk around. All-wheel drive, of course, the famous 4MATIC system where all four wheels are driven all the time. Let's open up the back here. Yeah, we just got this car in. Don't have the front plate on yet. Just got unwrapped through the shop. Has the main state inspection sticker. Continuing our walkthrough. Take a look inside here. Beautifully done. You can see the ambient lighting, the 64 different colors, the touch screen. You're probably familiar with the MBUX package where you can speak to it to state your destination, ambient lighting, temperature, what Sirius channel you'd like. Burmester sound system, 508 beautiful crystal clear watts. It's a little company in Berlin. It is really fabulous. So a little bit of a walkthrough on this car. It just is the nicest GLE we have, that's for sure. The other ones are a little bit more plain Jane. You pick the one that is not, but it also means this car will sell very quickly. So I'd like to have it in your driveway. Let's talk. Bob Holtacker, 207-747-9714. Thank you.